si General Parlade,
Oh.
may post siya nung a few days after nung kidnapping. Sinabi niya, parang ina-absolve niya yung guilt or yung blame for Remulla at si General Anyo. What do you think about that? Kasi marami na
General Anyo yata, not to Boying. Kasama ba si Remulla? Parang si General Anyo yata.
Oo. Dalawa sila,
Oo.
Anyo and Boying. Kaya medyo na-disappoint yung iba. Oo, so, you know.
I think because kasi si Boying Remulla, ano yan eh, staunch supporter yan ng NTF-ELCAC before eh. Baka siguro dahil may pinagsamahan sila ni General Parlade, so that's why parang, alam mo naman, syempre mga military guys talagang very importante sa kanyang mga pakikisama sa mga yan eh. Maybe that's the consideration, and General Anyo is a military guy also. So, actually na-expect ko yan eh sa mga tao na ganon. Kasi lalo na pagka military men, hindi yan basta-basta magsasalita ng hindi maganda sa kapwa nila military guys. Ganun. Sobrang lalim nung ano niyan, nung ano nila, nung pag-unawa, pag-intindi, love and care na ibibigay nila doon sa kanilang kaano. So
kasi behind the scenes kasi 'di ba si Doc Lorraine at si General Parlade ganun sila ka-close 'di ba before NTF-ELCAC. Pero
because they were under the same the same program. Talagang they were part of the NTF-ELCAC.
Kasi si Doc Lorraine, she's not happy talaga nung pinatanggol nila si Remulla. Kasi Remulla really deserves yung blame eh. Kasi part daw siya ng core group. So,
sandali,
parang
hindi ko gets. Ano ang sabi ni General Parlade?
Sinabi niya parang like he doesn't believe that Remulla would do such a thing, that parang hindi parang he's trying to absolve yung parang hand-washing man yung role ni Remulla doon sa operation.
Which Remulla?
Boying and General Anyo.
Kailan yung sinabi yan?
I'll look for the post. This was in kasi reported din to sa Manila Times. Parang sinabi
hindi ang pinagtanggol lang niya si Anyo lang, hindi si Boying. Ang pinagtanggol niya si Anyo lang, hindi si Boying. Nabasa ko yan eh, parang nakita ko yan eh. Si Anyo lang, si General Anyo lang.
Hindi, I'll send you the post. Kasi, sabi niya, when the president does, after an advice is given, is entirely dependent up to him. What or how DOJ Sec Boying Remulla implements it from these instructions are entirely up to him. Blah, 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 blah. Parang ganun nga. Sabi niya, good and loyal soldier, maybe I'll send you the link dito. Naka 4,000.
Sinabi niya, March 28, sabi niya, hindi siya naniniwala na part ng core group si Eduardo Anyo.
Oo. Si Anyo lang yung inano niya.
A long time vouched for Anyo's integrity and patriotism, calling him a professional soldier whose loyalty to the Republic was beyond reproach. Well, people change.
True. Medyo expected mga military men na
Ako yun naman sasabi ko, people change. Pwede mong i-vouch. But the thing is, your voucher is good, but we need cash.
That's true.
So naman, yeah, you can vouch for him, but the guy is still human. Ang gusto naming malaman, if yours, kung talaga may integrity ka, bakit nandiyan ka pa? Yun ang tanong ko, kung may integrity ka, ba't nandiyan ka pa? Ba't parte ka pa rin ng gobyerno niyan? Kung may integrity ka. Yun lang eh. Diba, ikaw ba may integrity ka? Magkukontinue ka ba maging part ng gobyernong to? Alam mo yung nangyayari?
No?
Ano ka pa? Intelligence officer ka pa, hindi mo alam ang nangyayari? Tapos sasabihin mo, may integrity? Kung may integrity ka, aalis ka kung alam mong ganyan ang nangyayari, ang baboy-baboy na. Ano yung magsaserve ka? Ba't ka magsaserve? Magkukontinue ka mag-serve kung alam mo yung nakaupo dyan, adik.
True.
So, pwede yung ba mag-vouch? Ito, alam kita General Parlade, pero gusto kong tanongin si General Parlade. Iba-vouch mo rin ba na hindi addict si BBM? Na hindi siya nagdodrogate? Kasi kung hindi mo ma-vouch, paano mo maba-vouch yung integrity nung NSA mo? Alam mo namang hindi alam ng NSA mo na addict na nagdodroge yung presidente. Kung may integrity ka, bakit ka mananatili sa posisyon? What for? And when you know yung hindi ba? Ako talaga, kaya hindi ako pwedeng kunin na hindi ako team player. Hindi ako team player pag may ginawa kayong masama talaga. Magsasalita at magsasalita. Hindi talaga ako, I cannot, kaya kung may ginagawa kang mabuti, you would love me in your team kasi I will broadcast it. Pag may ginagawa kayong masama, you don't want me in your team because I will broadcast it. It's the same. It's the same, it's the same thing. Hindi ba? Ganun lang naman kasimple yun. I just like to ask, General Perlade, you're vouching for Anyo's integrity. So are you also vouching for the integrity of Anyo? That he is still there because he doesn't believe that the president is an addict?
Yeah.
Sasagutin ko tong
One last point, Miss Joy. One last point lang. I just like to say this, no. Yung other concern this one is yung concern ni Kamentong, no, about si General Parlade is, sa mga post niya ngayon, may tendency na gawin, kumbaga like, main scapegoat yung CPP. Alam naman natin na sila Cristina Conti, sila Trillanes, they would not be successful sa ICC operation nila if walang cooperation or tactical alliance yung Marcos admin, hindi ba?
No, ito yung sinasabi ko na gusto ko yung hearing ni Amy, Miss Joey, and Daniel. Kasi kanina, she pointed out about the intelligence fund. Diba?
Actually, nga yun nagko-comment ako ng side by side about it. Habang sinasabi niya yon dun sa website ng Senate, naka-flash yung confidential fund at saka intelligence fund ng Sabi ko, ay, very good dito sa Senator Amy. Sinusupalpal niya talaga dun sa mga, sa mga police na, hindi nyo alam, ganyan kalalaki yung intelligence funds ninyo.
Diba? So, din siya, parang it's also helping VP Sara sa mga cases filed against her. Diba? Kasi target nila, 125 lang yun confidential fund. Pero ngayon, billions of intelligence fund, maraming pangyayari na wala silang alam. So, saan yung mga intelligence nila? Diba? Yung intel, paano na-utilize? So, mag-question yung utilization ng intel nila. Kasi nga, yun, hindi natin alam. Kasi diba sabi mo, Daniel, na for example, sila Cristina Conte, mga ganyan. Tapos, this is the first time, kanina was the first time na I heard from Senator Amy talaga na kumuha na pala sila ng mga documents saan yun?
Yung mga police documents.
Oo, basta letter B yun, Batasan Hills, ano ba yun? Parang ganyan-ganyan. So, di ba? So, yun, bakit mas may alam si Amy kaysa PNP? Di ba? So balikan natin yung sinabi ni Sas. Kung integrity ang pag-uusapan,
hindi makasagot si Marbil kung paano nakuha yung mga PNP documents.
Correct, 'di ba? Ganyan. So balikan natin yung sabi ni Sas para ma-tie up natin siya sa question ni Daniel with Anyo. Let's talk about integrity. So with a given example, Daniel, lalong-lalo na about intelligence thing, tapos doon pa talaga si Anyo. Now, formulate your conclusion. Diba? So, saan integrity niya?
True.
Tama, Sas.
Ayun.
Ako ganun lang na my duty is to the Republic and not to anyone. Paano yung duty to the Republic ang nagampanan mo nung inaresto si PRRD?
Malungkot daw siya
Your lungkot is good, but we need cash.
Hindi, ang talaga nun is nalungkot siya, na-aresto, ganyan. And ako talaga, actually, people don't change. General Parlade, I'm sorry to burst your bubble, but I know these people. sitting in Malacanang right now. They
Mm.
buy people. They buy people.
Mm.
I know it for a fact.
Mm.
They buy loyalty. That's the Marcos way.
Mm.
Oh. Now, baka naman kasi you don't know him that much.
Hindi, ano yan, ang tawag dito, feeling ko ano yan, Sas, kasi it comes with the culture, with the military culture. Mista, yung mga ganyan. It has something to do. I don't think the moment I saw General Parlade defending Anyo, alam ko na it's really just about that.
Mista, ano ba sila? Magka-batch ba sila?
I do not know, pero parang silang PMA-er.
PMA-er.
So,
mga
oo.
PMA-ers.
Oo, mga ganyan yung mga yan, they're really going to, parang stand by their, lalo na, well, ano yan, dalawa yan. Kung mista niya, talagang matindi talaga yung ano yan, kahit pa makitang, kahit talagang caught red-handed yung kamista niyan, talaga kakampihan yan, mista niya, ganyan. That's one. Or kung kunwari, kung senior niya si Anyo, edi, isa rin yun.
Di ba mista din ni Bato yung pilot ng plane?
Oo. Si Gulya.
Tapos, isa din yan, sabi ko na ano talaga, na trace ni Aimee ang mga bagay na dapat niyang i-trace. Kasi when it comes to investigation, the first thing na dapat mong i-trace talaga, ang flow ng money. Ang flow ng pera.
Ako kasi naniniwala ako, well, it's because I've been studying Chinese history. Integrity first. Kaya nga, ang dami ko dito, no? Meron ako ditong some nice eksena. Gusto ko lang sabihin kay Jay Tariela na ganito ako in-indoctrinate sa China para malaman mo, para naman magkaroon ng laman yung utak mo. Okay, so this one, book number 1. Ganito indoctrination. Anong title nito? The title of this pamphlet of indoctrination is...
Indoctrination. Hindi namin makita.
Sandali, tatanggalin ko yung
Labo. Tanggalin mo yung blur background.
Paano ba tanggalin ng...
Virtual background. Punta ka sa virtual background, tapos lagyan mo none. Ayan. Yan. The Uncorrupt Official of Ming Dynasty.
Volume 2.
Volume 2.
So, anong pinag-uusapan dito, Tariela? Ganito ako in-indoctrinate. Ito yung pinag-uusapan yung mga uncorrupt officials, mga huwarang officials sa history ng China. Okay, bibigyan kita ng example, Tariela. Halimbawa, ito. Si number 1. Ito kasi Tariela. Gusto mo lang indoctrination, pero papadalang kita namang indoctrination. Ito, si Hu Xuan from Xinan of Nanjili. He was appointed the magistrate of Xinyang country based on recommendation of his talent. Okay. So, magistrate siya. Bakit siya? Uncorrupt. Dahil kumakain lang siya ng simpleng vegetables. Kahit sobrang yaman niya na, kumakain lang siya ng simpleng vegetables. Nung natapos siya sa office niya, when he finished his office at the end of his term, he only had an empty bag and an old horse with him. Wala na siya ibang properties. Yun lang, isang empty bag and an old horse with him. And this was during the Ming Dynasty. Okay, so meron pa, may next pa. Gusto, ganyan ang indoctrination. Kaya nga sinasabi ko sa inyo, alam nyo, hindi yun kami, for me, napakababa na ng ating standard ng integrity. That is the problem. Panahon na para pataasin natin ang ating standard ng integrity. So, what should be our standard of integrity? Di ba? Tigilan na natin yung lumang version ng integrity. Kailangan, up one level na tayo, 2025 na. Kailangan, kung ikaw, nakikita mo na may ginagawang masama ang iyong superior, will you stay in the same boat?
Mm.
Yun ang tanong eh. Pag may ginagawa na ang superior mo na masama, will you stay in the same boat? Ikaw, Joey, yan ang tanong ko Kailangan very straight tayong tanungan. Kung alam mo na ang superior mo ay may ginagawa na masama, will you stay in the same boat?
No!
Of course not.
No! Ako meron akong ganyang reputation na hindi ako takot maghirap. I can resign anytime.
Ikaw, Tio.
Ako ba?
Oo, ikaw.
Sorry, hindi ko narinig.
Kung alam mo yung superior mo may ginagawa masama, will you stay in the same boat? Yung patuwanan lang.
No.
Ikaw, Daniel. Bata ka pa. Pero,
Yes, Ate
Ha?
Sas. Yes, Ate Sas.
ano ka? Ano sagot mo?
I will leave.
Ganun lang kasimple yan, no? Ako na parang, if you know that there is something going wrong, why would you want to continue to be there? The foundation of a good order is the self.
Mm.
That's correct.
That's the foundation of a good order. If you don't maintain your integrity, bakla kahit buong buhay mo pa dyan, walang mangyayari. Pwede ba yon na ang maging bunga ay integrity kung ang roots ay hindi integrity? Hindi po pwede yon. That's against the law of the universe. Kung ang itinanim mo ay buto ng mangga, pwede bang tumubo dyan ay saging or apples? Hindi. Make life simple. Vouch for his integrity, but tell us na kung alam niya may ginagawa na superior niya, aalis yan. That's integrity.
Correct.
That's integrity for me. Kailangan meron kang ganong history. Na kung alam mo na tsaka, na peligro to, hindi mo gagawin. Magre-resign ka. Kailangan may ganun kang history. And, ang masasabi ko lang, sabi nga ni, even Machiavelli, do you know Machiavelli is a is a person full of integrity?
True.
Pag binasa mo ang kanyang buhay, akala mo talaga masamang tao si Machiavelli pag binasa mo yung kanyang mga sinusulat. Punong-puno siya ng integrity dahil namatay siyang mahirap. Kahit, bureaucrat yan si Machiavelli, namatay siyang mahirap. Ang sinabi na lang niya, my poverty is the witness to my integrity. That's the real Machiavelli. Spell Machiavelli. So,
Pwede, Ben na lang.
Oo, kasi kung ikaw nasa public service ka, bakit ka magiging mayaman? Bakit ka yayaman sa public service? Yun ang tanong eh. Bakit ka yayaman sa public service? Parang ako, iniisip ko, bakit ako yayaman sa political blogging? Political blogging yan eh. Bakit ako yayaman? It's political blogging. I'm not selling makeup.
Ito naman si Victor Krum. Parang, Victor Krum, di ka naman nakikinig sa usapan eh. Amy will never leave her father. That's why never again. Bakla!
That's true.
Just black ka na.
Diba, ganun ako.
Black ka na.
Alam to ni Darylia, wala dito si Darylia, na meron akong tinanggihang very lucrative contract. Na pwede ko nang bilhin si Joey, si Tio, si Daniel, at ang StreamYard, all combined, ganyan. May tinanggihan akong contract, dahil ayoko, dahil ang nakalagay dun sa contract ay kailangan ng may editorial control. Sabi ko, no.
Yeah.
Hindi
Same.
pwede. My voice is my voice. Kahit bayaran mo pa ako ng 2 billion dyan, tapos kukontrolin mo yung sinasabi ko.
Hindi pwede.
Hindi, judgment. Aanin ko naman yan. Naranasan ko na lahat ng maganda sa mundo. Wala na kayo may bibigay sa akin ng mas maganda pa sa mga nararanasan ko. Kaya ako, that's it, pansit. Ano ako what you see is what you get. Take it or leave it. Kung ayaw mo ko, fine, mabubuhay ako, Diyos ko dahil. Kaya kong umupo sa isang tabi at maging maligaya. Maraming salamat po. Ito po si Sasor Ganda Sasot. Iboto niyo po ako sa susunod na eleksyon bilang Miss.